In this video we will make this building which is twisted and has balcony of different width all around it. It has a transparent glass balcony railing too which can hardly be seen. The building seems to be somewhat oval in plan. Open a new adaptive type template. At the reference level place 6 points in a row. Hold all the points and make them adaptive and join them with a spline and check the box is reference line to make it a reference line from a model line. Place a point anywhere at the line and set a vertical plane as shown and place a new point over it. Hold the new point and assign an offset parameter to it. In the Family Type Properties box, assign some value to the offset. Hold both the points and copy and paste at the screen 10 more copies of it. Hold the base point and click at the PEC New Host button and place at the line again. Repeat for all the pairs of points. Hold the base point and change its normalized curve parameter value to 0. Change all the NCP values in such a way that they are placed at equal distances. Make the NCP value of last point as 1. Assign a new name for the offset parameter of each point. The parameter values are assigned in such a way that their heights are first increasing and then decreasing. Hide the adaptive points 1 and 2 and join all the points with a spline. Make the line a reference line and hold the two lines together and create a form. Hold the form and assign a material parameter. This file is going to be loaded into another file which is a conceptual mass file. Open a new conceptual mass file and go to one of the elevations. Place a new level and copy it and paste at the screen several times. Don't forget to check in the boxes constrain and multiple. These will be the numbers of the floors that are needed. Place an aligned dimension between the floors and make them equal. At the level 1, place an oval at the center. Hold the oval and create parameters for the radii of the oval. Hold the oval and check the box for the center mark visible and also the as reference line. Align the center mark to both the planes and lock. Hold the oval and press the divide path button and create a parameter for the number. Go back to the first file and load it into this file. Place the component at the 6 points on one half of oval. Also place a component at the other half of the oval. Make sure the curved surface is towards the outside of the oval. If it is not, then should flip the component. Copy everything to the clipboard and from there to all the levels. Since the level was copied, there are no plans for the copied levels. The plans at the levels need to be created. In the View tab, click at the floor plan and select all the levels except level 1 and 2 and press OK. Filter out all the reference lines and create a form. Go to level 2 and select everything and rotate by a certain angle. Go on rotating the plans at the subsequent levels, increasing the angle each time. Filter out the internal form and the balconies and hide the other undesired elements. To make the railing to the balconies, go back to the first family and hide the flat form and place a point at the curved reference line. Set a vertical plane at the point and place a rectangle over it. Place aligned dimensions between the point and 3 sides and assign parameters. Align the lower side of the rectangle to the point and lock. Hold the rectangle and the curved line together and create a form. In case you want to change the thickness or height of the rail, perhaps since the railing has too many curves it is not possible to change its dimensions directly. So delete it and assign new dimensions and create the form again. Assign material parameters to the base and the railing. Assign materials to the base and the railing. If the railing is placed downwards, then flip it. All the instances must be selected and flipped. Please like, share and subscribe.